Hi Crafty Friends, Lacey here, Cheeky Bum, back with a Scrap Diva design team project share. This one is for the Tulip album. This is the Tulip Shaker mini album, but what I wanted to do with this, I'm still going to make an album with this. I just haven't yet. I decided to make a card because I'm doing some spring swaps, and I thought that this would make such a cute card. And yeah, I have quite a few friends that really like tulips. My bestie loves tulips and she loves like peachy pinks. So I was like, oh, I'm going to make her a cute little card. And that was super simple to make. Like, I really wasn't expecting it, how simple it really was to use these like album dies to make cards. So this is the card I made. What I did is I just took, so this, I don't remember the name of the kit because I forgot, like, I think I threw away the main sheet of it, but this is a scrapbook kit from Hobby Lobby, you know, like when they have the scrapbook paper. So this is a pretty thin paper. It had stickers and ephemera pieces, and then I also had a tulip, a flower die in my stash. So what I did is I found some coordinating cardstock and I just kind of measured from like how tall it was. So I took a piece that was probably like 6 3/4, and I think it was like by 10. Yeah, because I ended up having some overhang, but you could probably get away with like yeah, maybe like a 6 by 8.5. No, sorry, you want it longer than that, probably by 9.5, just to make sure. And I just folded it in half and then like this. Here. Oh, here, you can see the actual cutout. So this is all I did. I folded my paper in half. I made sure that the pattern, because it's not really a pattern, but like the texture, sorry. The texture was outside. I folded it in half, and I just made sure that I lined it up to where it didn't, the paper came right before the holes. So basically like this. And then I just ran it through my machine. I did use some washi tape. Just make sure when you're peeling off your washi tape that you're careful because it might peel up the paper. But yeah, it was super simple. Just fold it in half, cut it like that. And then I cut out the mat and in the pattern paper, and I cut one for the inside as well. And I was going to do it as shaker, but I decided I didn't want to because I want to be able to put this in like flat mail. And I knew that I wanted to add dimension with some flowers and word and sentiments and stuff. So I didn't make it a shaker. So I just cut out the tulip inside, laid it flat. These are part of the spring or Easter words. I just cut out spring flowers. I made my little tulips. I did pop them up and offset them a little bit so you would see the colors behind them. And then this was just part of the sticker pack, the little butterfly that matched. So I thought that was really cute. I can write whatever I want, and it's not too thick. I can put this in flat mail if I want. So that was my key thing. So I knew if I made it into a shaker, and then I added dimension, it would have been a little too big for a swap or something like that, or something you're going to give in person. It definitely would be perfect for, but again, I wanted this to be able to go into flat mail. So this is what I created. I think it turned out really cute, and I'm excited to have this. I definitely want to make it into an album, but I'm trying to decide if I want to make it like a rainbow, like all the tulips, because tulips come in so many different colors. So I don't know if I want just a fun spring like rainbowy album, or you know, I don't know if I necessarily want to make it just Easter. I haven't decided yet. So I was like, oh, a card, simple, easy, one and done. But I probably will make more of these because it's really pretty. I think that my grandma would love this as well. She really likes tulips. So many people really like tulips. So it just turned out really cute, and I'm super excited that I have this. I will link this down below. Head over to scrapdiva.com and order yours if you haven't already. I'm pretty sure it's in stock, but I know that she's recently just did a restock or is about to do a restock on a lot of the March release items. So go check it out. I'll link it again. I will link it down below. I'll link everything in the release, but you can also use code CheekyBum if you want to save 10%. But if you want a quick and easy card that looks gorgeous, looks high end, pull out your album dies, because I think that this turned out so cute and so simple. And we will see you in the next video. Bye guys.